Okay, welcome to English class with me, with Miss Jelly. How are you today? I really hope that you are doing well. Today we are going to learn about present continuous. Are you ready to learn about present continuous? Without any further ado, let's continue to the next slide. Okay, the first one is present continuous tense. This is the first rule of using present continuous tense. Okay, before explaining the materials, I took this material from wordenglish.com lesson present simple. This website really helps me to make this kind of presentation, and thank you for the owner of Word English. Okay, let's continue. The first rule of using present continuous tense is you say something at the moment you are speaking. For example, right now I am explaining to you. It is the moment I am doing this thing. Right now I am explaining to you and you are listening my explanation. And the example here is I am teaching an English lesson. You are watching a video. For example, your mom asked you, "What are you doing?" I am watching a video game at the moment. Your mother is asking you, "What is Steve doing?" He is washing his car. She is taking her dog for a walk. Right now, she is outside. What is she doing? She is taking her dog for a walk. That's the first rule of using present continuous. Okay, the second rule is to talk about something that is happening around the time of speaking, but not necessarily at the exact moment. For example, currently you are reading a book. You may say, "I'm reading a great book." This action is in progress and hasn't finished. Like, you are reading a great book, like you started yesterday, now you are still reading it and you haven't finished these things. So I am reading a great book. It doesn't necessarily mean that you are right now reading a book, but the action is in progress and hasn't finished. Second example, they are staying at a local hotel because the roof of their house was damaged during the storm. It doesn't necessarily mean they are at the hotel right this at the moment. Maybe they are at work right now or somewhere else. The situation is temporary. Okay, so the conclusion is you use present continuous for temporary action. Like the third example, Jack is learning Italian. Currently, Jack is learning Italian, probably for his job abroad, like that. And next is the time expression or adverbial time. Now, right now, at the moment, still is for present continuous. Okay, here is the affirmative, negative, and questions. Let's compare present simple and present continuous because on our previous material you have learned about present simple and now about present continuous. For example, I eat cereal every day. This is your habit. This is your routine. And then I am eating cereal right now. This is an action happening now. You eat cereal every morning. And right now, when you are watching my video, you are eating your cereal. And let's take a look to the negative form. The negative form of present simple, you need do or does plus not. For example, if the subject is I do not eat cereal every day. And for the present continuous, the negative is easy. You need to put not after to be. For example, I am not eating cereal right now. Do you get it? So, the conclusion is for present simple, for negative sentence, you need do or does plus not. And then for present continuous, you only add not after to be. Easy, right? Here is the same for making questions. If there is present simple, use do or does to make the sentence and put them before the subject. Do you eat cereal? And for the present continuous, you just switch the to be before the subject. Are you eating cereal right now? That's easy. Remember, we use do or does for negative and interrogative for present simple, and use not for negative present continuous, and use to be before the subject in a question for present continuous. Okay, here are the questions, and some new language learners find it difficult to this kind of sentence. It is same verbs but different meanings. For example, the first one is what do you do? It means what is your job? What do you do? What is your job? But when you say what are you doing, it is asking what you are doing right now, what action you are doing right now. It's not asking about your job. So if you're going to ask someone about, you are curious what are they doing right now, use present continuous. What are you doing? I am explaining something. But what do you do? It is asking about what is your job. What do you do? I am a teacher. What do you do? I am a student. Okay, the same verbs do but different meanings if you use present continuous or present simple. For example, what do you read? What type of books do you like to read? And what are you reading? What is the name of the book you are reading right now? That's difference. What do you read? It means that what kind of books do you like to read? Like, what do you read? I read horror novel. It means that you like to read horror novels. The genre of the novel is horror. But what are you reading? I am reading romance novel. Although I like horror novel, but sometimes and maybe right now I am not reading horror novels, but right now I am reading a romance novel. Do you get it? So if you want to ask someone, for example, he is in front of you and he is reading something, you should use what are you reading if you are curious what he is reading right now. But if you want to get to know someone better and he isn't reading in front of you and you want to break the ice, you may use what do you read? Do you get it? I really hope that you get it. Okay, this chart is from Word. I really love it. It is very simple to explain. Word English is my first reference on making presentation or of my teaching. Okay, based on this table, it is very easy for learners to differentiate whether use present simple or present continuous tense. Okay, present simple is for the facts and present continuous is for the action happening right now. And then present simple tense is for habit or repeated action, and present continuous tense is for something happening around now or temporary. Okay, do you get it? It's very easy, and you have learned on our previous material about present simple, and now it's about present continuous. And then you may see on the below, I live in England. It means that you live in England. I am living in London at the moment. Probably you are doing business trip for 3 months, and then currently you are living in London. You basically live in Indonesia, but currently because you are doing business, you are living in London like probably for 3 months. It is temporary action. Second example, it rains a lot in winter. It facts that it rains a lot in winter. Because it is fact, you use present simple. But it is raining right now. Present continuous. The action happening now. It is raining outside. Use present continuous because the action is happening right now. I really hope that it is clear enough for you to learn about present simple vs present continuous and to differentiate. Don't forget to keep on practicing at home. Without practicing, you won't make your English better. Okay. Thank you for joining my class. See you when I see you. Bye.